This smart fingerprint door lock combines biometric scanning, app control, and a physical key option, so it works well for both tech-savvy users and anyone who prefers a traditional backup. Its three selectable modes for passage, everyday entry, and full privacy make it especially useful for bedrooms, shared apartments, and home offices where you sometimes need extra seclusion. The companion app lets you manage fingerprints, check unlock history, and adjust access without touching the knob, which is handy for short-term rentals or occasional guests. It can store up to 20 fingerprints and automatically relocks after a few seconds, while keeping all fingerprint data on the device rather than in the cloud for better privacy. A clear battery status indicator, low power alerts, and an emergency Type-C charging port help ensure you are not unexpectedly locked out when the batteries run down. Installation is straightforward, with a simple screwdriver on most standard United States interior doors, and the satin nickel finish gives the knob a modern, neutral look that suits many homes.